Hey guys, it's Lenny and her brothers Nathan and Jimmy. So we are on our way
to see Snow the bird.
To go see Snow, our future bird. Yay!
And we're gonna train her to fly, and we're gonna feed her, and she's gonna be still a baby.
We are very excited.
Yes.
We don't know what to expect, but we'll be there. Alright guys, we will continue the video when we get there. Bye!
Bye guys. And
hi guys, we're back. We are at the breeder's house. Super excited. Kind of scared. Nervous because we don't know. We will.
You got money? Huh?
yeah, I do.
Nah.
But
Yeah, mama got it.
still have money.
Ready?
Mama that I just showed. Not this one, but you can touch one of the ones.
Yeah. Lenny, what do you think? How you feeling right now? Is this one it?
I think this is the one. I mean, yeah, kind of threw up a little, but I think this is the one.
Remember the torch down there, you know?
Not that one. They're we start a yellow.
Okay guys, so we're back. We saw the birds.
And
I showed you guys which one I liked. That's probably the one I'm gonna get for Christmas. We reserved the bird for Christmas. He's gonna raise it, and we're excited. I'm excited. I can't wait. So during that time, we're probably gonna get the cage set up. I'll record all that, let you guys know.
Can I just put my hand? Remember.
We're all happy. Well, we're excited.
That's my mom, my dad. How you feel, Taurus?
Good.
It's cute, right? There's a lot of bugs in his house. A lot of
So we will get back to you guys for the cage setup.
Yeah.